how to stop Telegram saving images to photo gallery. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to stop Telegram saving images to photo gallery. Have you ever noticed your iPhone or Android phone's photos gallery filling up with images sent through Telegram chats? While it's great to have easy access to photos shared by friends and family, sometimes you might want to keep your gallery organized and free of automatically saved images. So, do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. First, download and install Telegram app on your device. Tap Open to launch your Telegram app. Ensure to log into your particular account on Telegram. Now tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen to access the settings option. You have to tap on the settings option to access your settings page. Now tap data and storage under settings. Here you need to scroll down and locate Save to Gallery. Open Private Chats option here and toggle off the button of photos as well as videos. Once done, it will automatically stop Telegram from saving images to your photo gallery. That's it. That's how we do it. I hope this video worked for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.